What's up, guys? It's your girl JB here, back with another video. And today, you guys, I'm coming to you with a two-piece DIY set. I'm turning this hoodie dress into a two-piece set. Alright guys, so for this tutorial you're going to need E6000 glue. You're going to need a measuring tape. And you're going to need some scissors. And y'all, I ended up switching scissors because the scissors that I had were terrible. So I'm just taking the measuring tape and laying it out across. You don't really need to measure anything. I'm just using it for a guideline so that when I make the cut for the top, that is as straight as possible. Otherwise, I won't cut it in a straight line. And you can see that EST.36 on it. I'm going to be cutting that off too because I don't want it on the skirt upside down, because when you put the skirt on, the pocket that would originally be used on a hoodie will be turned upside down. Therefore, the EST36 will be upside down, and it just looks crazy to me. Okay guys, so after cutting this, you are officially done with the top of this two-piece set. I've seen people add other things to it, but I didn't. And you can see the seam down the side of the skirt. There'll be two seams on one side, and you just want to cut all the way down one side of the string. Do not cut down both sides, otherwise you will no longer have a skirt, or you'll have to do more work. But for this to be super easy, just cut down one side of the string of the seam. And I recommend not cutting on the side with the tag or the little wash tag. I don't know what y'all call it, but I call it a tag. It wasn't a problem. It was just, it got a little bulky. If you have better scissors, it won't really matter. You may want to actually use fabric scissors, but I didn't feel like buying another pair of scissors when I already had scissors in the house, because I didn't really care like that. So I just used what I had. Okay, so now you just need to figure out how tight you want the skirt. It's supposed to be high-waisted, so you want it a little ways up your waist. Figure out where you want it, and then go and mark it. And this little excess fabric that you see, I will be cutting that off. So like I said, you want to make a mark on where you want to glue it, so you'll know how tight it'll be, and that's where I'm making it. And this is it, you guys. I didn't show myself gluing because it got a little messy. So yeah, it fits really nice. The glue is holding. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments if you tried this DIY.